as chairman of the Committee on Sports, I rise to co-sponsor the resolution and express my heartfelt congratulations to Alex Ayala for her historic victory at the 2026 Mubadala DC Open, where she defeated world number 3 Jessica Pegula in a 4-6, 6-4, 6-0 match to capture her first Women's Tennis Association Tour singles title. With this remarkable achievement, Alex Ayala became the first Filipino to win a WTA Tour Singles Championship. This milestone forever changed the history of Philippine tennis and further cemented her place among our nation's greatest athletes. I also filed Senate Resolution 561 to commend Alex for this feat. Nag-file din tayo ng Senate Resolution number 493 bilang pagpupugay sa kanyang historic run sa Wimbledon, kung saan siya ang naging kauna-unahang Filipina na nanalo sa women's singles main draw at kauna-unahang Pilipino na sa Open era na umabot sa 4th round ng Grand Slam tournament na Wimbledon. Natutuwa po tayo na sunod-sunod po ang ating mga resolutions dahil sunod-sunod din po ang panalo ni Alex Ayala, and we hope we could present this to her once she visits the Senate. Mr. President, every match of Alex serves as an inspiration. Alex Ayala shattered a ceiling that many believe a Filipino tennis could never reach. She is a living proof that success is earned through discipline, perseverance, sacrifice, and unwavering belief in one's dream. Throughout the tournament, Alex defeated some of the biggest names in women's tennis. She eliminated Olympic gold medalist Zheng Qinwen. She eliminated former US Open champion Emma Raducanu. She defeated defending champion Leylah Fernandez. She overcame 4-time Grand Slam champion Naomi Osaka in a thrilling semifinal. Then went on to bag the championship match versus world number 3 and top seed Jessica Pegula. These were not ordinary victories. These were victories against Grand Slam champions, against former world champions. WTA's elite players, lahat pinataob ng tinaguriang The Giant Slayer, kaya naman Alexandra the Great. Ilang gabi nang puyat ang mga kababayan mo. I am honored and privileged to have personally watched Alex Ayala's match at the Philippine Women's Open last January dito mismo sa Pilipinas sa Rizal Memorial Tennis Center, at plano rin po nilang mag-host po muli ng next year ng Philippine Women's Open. By hosting and supporting these kinds of sporting events, we showcase the Philippines as a premier destination for sports and promote tourism in our country. Pag nagsama po ang gobyerno at ang pribado, malayo po ang mararating ng ating sports industry. Mr. President, this milestone of Alex was years in the making. As a young girl, Alex dreamed of competing against the world's best. To pursue that dream, she left the comfort of home at an early age to train abroad, dedicating countless hours to practice while making sacrifices that many people never see. Behind every championship point were years of exhausting training sessions. Mr. President, long before this championship, Alex had already begun rewriting Philippine sporting history. In 2022, she became the first Filipino to win a junior Grand Slam singles title after capturing the US Open Girls Singles Championship. Earlier this year, she made history once again in Wimbledon, defeating some of the world's best players and proving that she belonged among tennis elite. Mubadala DC Open is the latest chapter in a remarkable journey built on consistency, resilience, and determination. At ngayong taong to, hopefully makukuha na rin po natin ang first ever gold sa Asian Games kung sasali po si Alex Ayala. Mr. President, sa panahon ngayon na ang daming kaguluhan sa mundo at watak-watak ang bansa dahil sa magulong politika, and at least for a few hours during the last few nights, nagkaisa po ang mga Pilipino. Filipinos from all walks of life watch every serve, every rally, and every match point, and every winning moment that brought many Filipinos to tears. Truly, Alex Ayala makes us proud to be Filipinos again. Today, Filipinos, young and old, see new possibilities because of Alex. In fact, her influence reaches far beyond the tennis court. Masasabi po natin ang mga tagumpay niya ay naging susi para sa muling pag-usbong ng racket sports sa bansa. Across the country, we are seeing more Filipinos pick up racket, enroll in tennis clinics, and visit sports facilities. Yung hindi na po kaya maglaro ng tennis, pickleball na po ang uso ngayon. Even the growing popularity of pickleball, paddle, badminton, and other racket sports is likely to benefit from the excitement generated by Alex's historic achievements. When Filipinos succeed on the world stage, they create a ripple effect that extends far beyond medals and championships. They inspire children and families. This is what sports does. It unites and inspires. As chairperson of the Senate Committee on Sports, I firmly believe that Alex's historic victory should inspire us to further strengthen grassroots sports programs and ensure that every talented Filipino athlete is given the opportunity to succeed. Maraming salamat rin po sa pribadong sektor na tumutulong rin po sa ating mga atleta. Pag nagtulungan po ang pribado at ang gobyerno, malayong-malayo po ang mararating ng ating mga atleta. Kinikilala po natin ang mahalagang papel na ginagampanan ng sports sa ating lipunan dahil naniniwala po ako na ito ay isang mabisang paraan para mailayo ang ating mga kabataan sa masasamang elemento, katulad ng illegal na droga. At gaya po ng parati kong sinasabi, get into sports, stay away from drugs to keep us healthy and fit. Again, we extend our warmest congratulations to Alexandra, Alex Ayala, her family, her coaches, the Philippine tennis community, the Philippine Tennis Association led by its president, Congressman Eric Olivares, and Secretary General Mayor John Ray Tiangco, and everyone who has supported her remarkable journey. And of course, sa ating Philippine Sports Commission led by Chairperson Patrick Pato Gregorio. Mayor and lahat po ng commissioners, ang lahat ng empleyado ng PSC, salamat rin po sa inyo. May her story continue to inspire generations of Filipinos to dream boldly, work tirelessly, and proudly raise the Philippine flag in every arena of the world. And may I add, suportahan at abangan pa natin si Alex sa Toronto Open. Good luck po kay Alex Ayala. Kaya maraming salamat po sa ating mga kababayan na patuloy na sumusuporta kay Alex. Thank you, Mr. President.